Morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It is 11:02 p.m., May 8th, 2017. What I have here is a new inbox, actually I should say a new KDK industrial ceiling fan from the Dominican Republic. Now this fan actually, the reason I say it's not new in box, but it is new, I guess they don't sell them. They don't actually sell them in boxes the way they do here. There'll be like a display, like an end cap at a store, and there'll just be a bunch of these ceiling fans sitting there, but that's irrelevant. It is brand new, and I hitched up to a solid state control, and now I'm trying to avoid coming in contact with it right now because the way that it's they had the wire situated on there. There are these two stubby little wires, and you only have about half an inch of clearance, barely enough room to screw the wire nut on between the wire, the wires and the down rod. So the way that I, when I hooked it over the J hook, the connections are going to be rubbing against the J hook, so I have no idea if the wire nuts are going to pop off or not, which could short it out and send electricity through the whole fan. So I'm giving my distance. That's why I'm sitting down here on this convenient hassock fan. Have it hitched up to a solid state control, and we'll start off on low. So this is low right here, which is incredibly fast. As you can tell. And on the anemometer, it's showing up, wow, even at low, like 4.5 miles per hour. Let's kick it up to high and see what happens. Got like 6.3 miles per hour. Here's the spin down. And I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for checking out my video. You want to see some other KDKs? Check out a page, check out my buddy Emmanuel's page called eManFan. There are tons of KDK videos. Now it's, and I also have a Facebook page also called the Fancave. So yeah, if you click like on this video, I'd appreciate it. If you could subscribe to my page, I'd really appreciate it. Check out my Facebook page, and yeah, definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna have more fan videos to come. Always, anyway. I do have another KDK, an older model. It, I guess, is more powerful, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's brand new. All the bearings brand new, so it's taken a while for the spin down to happen. To be honest, I actually like the newer upper and lower canopies. Can't remember if I told you this story before, but there was a supermarket, independent supermarket I used to go to as a kid, called Mal's, and they had Airmaster Mark 1s, the flat bottom Airmasters and relights, and only ones I've ever seen in this configuration, but they had the same upper and lower canopy as the KDK, which is the same upper and lower canopy as the newer Airmasters, the Cromps and Greaves ones. So yeah, I always kind of like these triangular sort of conical upper and lower canopies. And since I do not own this fan, it's actually on loan to the Fancave from Eman Fan. When I believe it's actually going to another collector, but it is not for sale or trade, so please don't ask. Alrighty then. If I can stand up without smacking into it so I can unplug it. There we go. Feel a little safer now. No pun intended, as there is a safer right here. So I'm actually going to give you a view of the top. It's just kind of cool looking from above. Still the original price tag. I think it's funny how this... Alright, this is a... it's a Japanese company, and the fan's made in Malaysia and sold in the Dominican Republic. None of those countries' primary language is English, but everything's written in English. They're not even sold in America, and everything's written in English, so kind of funny, actually. So, anyway, yeah, thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night, and good luck. We're going to need it.